Welcome to the Accu web hosting video tutorial. Today, we will guide you on how to generate and enable SSH key on Linux server or system. If you want a PDF file of this video tutorial, you can download it from our Telegram channel, Accu Web Hosting. We have mentioned our Telegram channel link in the description. Kindly click on the link and find the PDF file of this video tutorial. Before we begin, take a look at accuwebhosting.com to review various hosting services offered by us. You can contact us through chat, phone, or send us an email at sales@accuwebhosting.com. Let's begin the tutorial. Secure Shell is an encrypted protocol used by Linux users to connect to their remote servers. Generally, there are two ways to access Linux servers. First most popular SSH authentication mechanism is password-based authentication, and second one is public key-based authentication. Using SSH keys is more secure and convenient than traditional password authentication. Step 1 is creating SSH keys on local system. ssh-keygen command is used to create an SSH key on the local machine. By default, it will create a 2048-bit RSA key on the local system. If you want to tighten up security measures, you can create a 4096-bit key by adding the -B 4096 flag. Syntax is ssh-keygen --b 4096. Open the terminal of your local Linux machine. Enter command ssh-keygen --b 4096. Press enter. You will be prompted to specify the file name. To save the file in the suggested directory, press enter. Alternatively, you can specify another location. Next, you'll be asked to type a secure passphrase. It is up to you. If you choose to use a passphrase, you will get an extra layer of security. A passphrase adds an additional layer of security to prevent unauthorized users from logging in. If you don't want to use a passphrase, just press enter. You should then see this output. You now have a public and private key that you can use to authenticate. The second step is copy public key on the remote server or system using ssh-copy-id. The easiest and the recommended way to copy the public key to the remote server is by using a utility called ssh-copy-id. The ssh-copy-id tool is included by default in many operating systems, so you may have it available on your local system. For this method to work, you must already have password-based SSH access to your server. To use the utility, you need only specify the remote host that you would like to connect to and the user account that you have password SSH access to. The syntax is ssh-copy-id space remote username at server IP addresses space -p space SSH port number. To copy the key of your Linux server, enter the ssh-copy-id space remote username at server IP address space -p space SSH port number. Press enter. If it is the first time your local computer is accessing this specific remote server, you will receive the output. The authenticity of host can't be established. Are you sure you want to continue connecting? To confirm the connection, type yes and hit enter. It will ask you to provide the password for the remote account. Type remote server password and hit enter. Once the connection has been established, it adds the public key on the remote server. The process is completed successfully. Now you can SSH from the local machine to your VPS dedicated server without typing the password. Let's log in to the server using SSH keys. Open terminal and enter SSH space remote server username at IP address space -p space port number. Congratulations! You have successfully logged into the remote server without a password. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to generate and enable SSH key on Linux server or system. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like our technical videos, please press the subscribe button and bell icon to receive instant notification of our new videos. Each like is important to us, so do not forget to symbol us. To download a PDF file of this video, please subscribe to our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting, where you will have access to the PDF files of all our videos. Thank you for watching.